Hello and welcome to Kenzo Garden. What if your front yard could look elegant and professionally designed without spending a fortune? Today, we are exploring 10 beautiful front yard features that create impressive curb appeal on a budget. From stylish pathways to ornamental trees, these ideas can make your outdoor space feel polished, welcoming, and timeless. A simple stepping stone pathway can instantly elevate your front yard. Combine affordable stones with decorative gravel and neatly defined edges for a sophisticated entrance. Add low shrubs and ornamental grasses along the route to create structure, texture, and the polished appearance of a professionally designed landscape. Oversized planters create an impressive focal point without requiring extensive landscaping. Place matching containers beside your front door and fill them with evergreen shrubs, ornamental grasses, or seasonal flowers. The symmetry adds elegance, while carefully chosen plants create a welcoming entrance that feels far more expensive than it actually is. A dry creek bed brings natural character and architectural interest to an ordinary front yard. Use affordable gravel, smooth stones, and larger rocks to create a gentle flowing shape. Add drought-tolerant plants and ornamental grasses along the edges for a sophisticated landscape feature that also requires very little maintenance. Curved planting beds can make a basic lawn look professionally landscaped. Instead of straight borders, create graceful curves around the lawn and fill them with dark mulch, evergreen shrubs, ornamental grasses, and flowering plants. The contrast between the rich planting beds and green grass creates instant definition and visual sophistication. A stylish house number display can become an affordable front yard focal point. Choose a simple stone look, wood, or metal-inspired sign and surround it with attractive grasses and compact shrubs. This small detail adds personality and architectural interest while giving your entrance a polished, thoughtfully designed appearance. Layered evergreen planting creates depth and structure throughout the year. Combine low ground covers, medium shrubs, and taller ornamental grasses around your home's foundation. Repeating a few complementary plant varieties keeps the design cohesive and elegant while reducing maintenance, making this an especially practical choice for a refined front yard. A decorative water bowl can bring the feeling of a luxury garden to even a modest front yard. Position it among smooth stones, ornamental grasses, and flowering plants to create a beautiful focal point. Besides adding visual interest, the water can attract birds and bring lively movement to the landscape. Well-placed pathway lighting can completely transform your home's curb appeal after sunset. Use affordable solar or low-voltage fixtures along the walkway and near important planting areas. Consistent spacing creates an elegant rhythm, while gentle illumination highlights landscaping details and makes the entrance feel welcoming, sophisticated, and carefully planned. One well-chosen ornamental tree can become the centerpiece of your entire front yard. Surround it with a simple circular bed of shrubs, grasses, or flowering plants, then frame the area with a neatly maintained lawn. This approach creates a strong focal point without requiring a large collection of expensive plants. An unused corner of your front yard can become a charming outdoor retreat with just a few thoughtful additions. Spread decorative gravel, add 2 comfortable chairs and a small table, then surround the space with plants and a simple trellis. The result feels personal, elegant, and surprisingly luxurious without a major investment. From stone pathways and oversized planters to elegant lighting, layered greenery, and charming seating areas, these features prove that a beautiful front yard does not have to be expensive. The key is choosing a few impactful elements and arranging them thoughtfully. If you enjoyed these ideas, please like this video, subscribe to Kenzo Garden, and share your favorite feature in the comments.